So today we're working on this attic access where we had to move it from another place that's no longer going to be accessible to this place where it will be accessible. And it's all been remodeled, and there's a link below where you can watch that one, how the attic access got remodeled. But today we're going to put the insulation on so that it'll be all ready for winter. So we got to get the lid out, and we're going to go put insulation on this and get it all sealed up and be done. So I've got the sheetrock, which I took down, and I cut some foam insulation, this rigid foam, just about 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch smaller than the attic access lid, the sheetrock lid. So I just didn't want to fight it too bad getting it in. And I'm just going to put some glue on there to hold that in place. And then I've got some of this R30 insulation that I'm going to put on top of that. And it doesn't have the paper backing on it, so this isn't probably going to hold a whole ton, but it hopefully just hold it in place. So if when we lift it in, it won't slide around and be too big a nuisance. This I cut just a little bigger because that'll squish in. That's what it won't fight us. Okay, let's go lift that in, see how it works. Okay, at this point our mic had died, and I tried to dub over it, but it just ended up looking like an old Godzilla movie where my lips didn't match what I was saying anyway. So I decided to just describe what I'm doing here. I'm just lifting the big old birthday cake that I just built up into place. And I'm going to set it up on the frame, which we did before. I'm going to link in the video below. You can see where we built that frame. And then anything that falls down or gets knocked down, making any kind of dust or mess, we'll clean out with a vacuum, and then we'll line the lid with weather strip to create an air seal. We can make it nice and draft free. So now that I've got the lid sitting up there on the frame, I'm going to vacuum out any dust that might have fallen, and then put on the weather strip. It just sticks down, creating an air seal. So part of the Renaissance man, being a jack of all trades, is also learning how to do audio and video recording, which obviously a jack of all trades, but not a master for sure. So and as I get the weather strip on there, creating the air seal, you can see the lid sitting up there just on the frame, just waiting to be lowered down. Just lower it down, and then that's all done. And again, that's the old attic access, which will no longer be accessible with this remodel. We'll go do it to the new attic access, which we framed in on the other video. And same thing, lift it up on the frame. Anything that might have fallen down, we'll just vacuum out of there. So our weather strip will stick down nice. Put weather strip on all 4 sides, create that air seal. And it's nice you don't have to listen to the obnoxious vacuum. Well, now that that's done, you just drop the lid down into place and all ready for winter. And thank you for watching.